I will say I'm a little biased towards Logic. Okay, it's my first DAW and I've just stuck with it, and it's just been my go-to. Okay, I've tried Pro Tools, I didn't like it, but Logic, we just got a huge dub. All right, everybody else has been getting stem separation, and we finally got it here in Logic. Oof, that's a huge dub, man. I'm super excited. It actually kind of sucks because I bought Serato sample for the stems feature, and I probably only used it like a couple times. So it is a waste of 150 bucks because it's already built into Logic now, but I don't, you know, whatever. Hey, sometimes it just happens like that. Let's see, let's check it out. Gonna be looking at the notes here. Let's see what they got. There's a lot of things in this update, but looks like we get some more session players, a lot of AI features, which I think is pretty cool. You know, I'll take anything with the free update that I can get. But let's see, we got some bass player, keyboard player, drummer, studio bass, studio piano, and it looks like these are 2 new instrument plugins. I'm assuming. Studio bass, love that. Studio piano, chord tracks, a lot of AI stuff, and I you know, shit, the more the merrier, honestly. Oh, and this is the big thing right here. It's a stem splitter. This is just, oof, oh, finally we got it. Huge dub for Logic Pro users. We get a saturation plugin. We get right here Chroma Glow. I've already used it on a couple things, basses, vocals, and it just adds a lot of warmth. I also like the UI. It looks pretty dope, not gonna lie. Pitch correction got a new update as well. It uses AI to intelligently. Okay, so I'm not the one who to be reading this, but a mastering assistant got some updates too. Love it. Smart tempo, some Dolby Atmos stuff. That looks pretty dope, not gonna lie. Let's hop on Logic and see how these stems works. All right, so I got a sample from Splice here, and it looks like all you gotta do is just right click, go to processing, go to stem splitter, it'll be right there. And then it'll give you a pop-up menu. You can do vocals, drums, bass, guitar, or bass, and then other, which will probably be like instruments, I'm assuming. So let's see, let's let it do its thing. That was pretty quick. And then now we have all our stems right here. That's so dope. That's a dub right there. And it's free, man. Oh. So now we got a really nice Saturator plugin, and this is very welcome. I like the UI on this. I think it looks pretty dope with the purple and like the orange, and then you can see the waveform and what it's doing. So another one we got is going to be the piano session player, or the keyboard session player. And this is pretty dope. I guess it uses AI to analyze your song or whatever and make something that sounds similar, or that'll sound, you know, it'll sound like it's in the genre or in tune. And I just put it on here, and I just slapped it on here, and I don't know what it's doing in the background, but it already sounds pretty good, and it sounds like it's in the key of whatever the sample is that I'm already playing right here. So let's check that out. That's pretty good, not gonna lie, that's pretty good. How did it figure that out? Huh, that's kind of, sus. Let's throw on the bass player right here. Let's do modern R&B. Let's see what this does. Boom, throw that on there. Okay, I think that'll work. Let's try that out. That'll work. That's almost similar to whatever the bass line originally was. That's crazy. How? I don't even understand. This AI is getting too crazy, man. I think that's a pretty significant update. I don't know if it warrants calling it, you know, the 11th version, but hey, you know, it is what it is. It's free, so I'm happy that we're still getting updates after all this time of owning Logic. But yeah, I think this is good. This is good. Okay, this is gonna make making remixes of songs, edits, even like DJing. Oh, this is gonna help out so much because I need to make intros for certain songs that don't have it. You can't find them on record pools. This is dope. If you haven't already updated it, make sure you guys update it. I think it's just gonna be for M1 and up. But that's it, guys. Have a good one.